Hi, Lindsay and I are at Kuwarahas. We love this place. Yeah. So we are buying 50-cent pepper plants in July. Lindsay, what did we get?
We get a lot of new plants.
So at the end of the season, 50-cent pepper plants. Kuwarahas, we love this place. So I just moved the sprinkler and it completely soaked me. You're too dry. You need to go get soaked. So I just moved the sprinkler right there. That's where the rest of those peppers are. Okay, she's getting wet. And now we'll go show you where the rest of the ones in the front are. Are you taking a bath?
I'm taking a bath.
Are you taking a shower?
Yeah.
Here's where we put the rest of the peppers. And then one more spot right here. So any of these empty pots, I'm going to put some greens in. We are in July. Want to see my chickens? I'm still working on moving a whole bunch of... Lindsay, what do you have?
What you doing?
What are you going to plant in that crazy pot?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes. We need something that makes crazy hair.
I'm Frankenstein.
Yeah, you
Fear me.
We need something spiky like hair. Wouldn't that be funny?
Like my hair.
So I was trying to plant some eggplants over here and I got stung by a wasp 3 times. I think I found a wasp nest. I have never had that happen before. It's kind of freaked me out. So now I've got to get the rest of this planted and I'm a little more anxious because I don't want to get stung. It scared me. I was planting that eggplant right there. And about the whole nest of them came up and got me. Scared me. So now I'm a little more anxious to plant. You know what? I'm not even going to do it. I'm going to take these eggplants and I'm going to put them somewhere else. You won today, you stupid wasp. Scared the heckle. So what I can do is put them here. Nah, I don't want to put them there. Like I said, now I'm anxious. I don't want to get stung by wasps. I wanted to show you an update on some of these peppers I got from Kuwarahas. There's 2 there, 2 there. Okay, I wanted to show you that we got quite a few more. We got some more of these coming, so you wondering where your egg went? We took your eggs. Are you mad? Yeah? There's another one. That one looks like it has a little bit of sun scald on it. Doesn't see that much sun. Oh, it's blossom rot. And then we've got a few coming on this plant. All right, let's go see what else we have on this other plant. A couple plants over here.